I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have the right access. You need admin or standard with bidding permissions. Next, open Google Ads and pick the specific search or display campaign you want to control manually. Once done, check the campaign's bidding settings and pause any automated bid strategy. This prevents conflicts. You're starting the process now so you can immediately set precise bids per keyword or ad group. Make sure conversion tracking is active so bids align with real results. You now switch the campaign's bidding to manual CPC by going to Settings, then Bidding, and selecting Manual CPC. After switching, set a campaign-level baseline bid, and then fine-tune by entering specific ad group or keyword bids. This gives you granular control. Use Google's suggested bid ranges as a reference, but start conservatively to avoid overspending. Once bids are entered, make sure ad scheduling and device bid adjustments reflect your highest value times and device. You finish by actively monitoring performance metrics, CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and CPA, daily at first, then weekly as patterns emerge. Make bid changes based on data. Increase bids where conversions are strong and lower bids where costs are high with few results. Also make sure budgets aren't limiting impressions. If traffic suddenly drops, troubleshoot, confirm ads are approved, check campaign budget and bid caps, and look for competing bid strategies or negative keywords that might block delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.